So I voiced over Hear My Hope with my friend Rusted and my sister Mia. I hope you enjoy.
Hear my heart. Let it echo in every soul that needs something to believe. Take my hand. Never let go. And even every day, striving to find the peace we lost. At least we'll know we're good. Just remember, we're biggest path. Years from now, if any live to hear this song, oh, Eldor, and sing What are you doing here? I'm here to finish what I started. Everybody dies when I do this. And Sophia don't resist. Or what? I'll take your other eye. Just try. Shut your mouth, abomination! Enough! We need to be stronger.
Normal left to save the day. You would risk your life.
For the sword is sword, heaven sword to kill. We cannot just stand by, we need to match your strength of will.
Why don't you help them, you double-dealing manipulator?
What's in it for me? I enjoy it for free. How well you know of me.
I will not reward a snake like you.
What's the time?
Fire! You want it down!
It's hardly fair.
You really are a demon pet.
I knew I came to die with that.
Across this frightful range.
Oh, fuck it, come on. Wait, what? Northwest Weird. What the dingleberry is happening? Stop it right now!
need to read it out.
If anyone to hear the song.
Oh, 3, 2, 1.